Okay, hello everyone. So we have come to the discussion of the application for Laplace transform, or the circuit theory application of Laplace transform. Okay, so let's start. Okay, these are the steps in applying Laplace transform on our circuit analysis. So number one, transform the circuit from time domain to the S domain. So we will be discussing that one. Number two, solve the circuit using nodal mesh analysis, source transformation, superposition, or any circuit analysis technique with which we are familiar. So we're already familiar with all of these techniques, so we will just go through these techniques in our examples. Then number three, take the inverse transformation of the solution and thus obtain the solution in the time domain. Okay, from time domain, transform to S domain and then solve using our the circuit analysis that we have learned in the past, and then when we arrive at our answer, we transform it back to time domain. Okay, so let's start. These are the time domain equations that we have learned in the past regarding our passive elements. Okay, so we have here, this is the equation of R. So I think we are all familiar with this one. We should be. So this is Ohm's law, no? V is equal to Ri. Okay, so these are all in time domain. And now, to start with our Laplace transform, we will going to transform this Ohm's law in time domain into S domain. Okay, so let's start. We're going to do Laplace transform of V of t is equal to Laplace transform of R I of t. Okay, and we know that our Laplace transform is like this, no? Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f of s, right? So these are all in V of t and I of t in time domain, so that should give us the Laplace transform V capital in S domain is equal. R is a constant, so we can take this one out to the side. So R is as is, and then I of t. Okay, so this is the Laplace transform for our resistor. Now we're going to go to our inductor. Okay, these are the equation that we have learned also. So let's do the Laplace transform of this one. Laplace transform of V of t is equal to the Laplace transform of L. We can put L outside, that's a constant. Di of t dt. Okay, so we have learned in the past regarding, I mean in our previous discussion now with the Laplace transform, how to transform a derivative. So let's transform this one first. We have capital V of S, and then we have L, and then the Laplace transform of this one is S, I of S, minus I at 0 minus. So this is our initial current. Okay. So this one. Okay, we can simplify this one. V of S is equal to SL I of S minus L I at 0 minus. Okay, so with that, then we move forward with our capacitor. Laplace transform of I of t. That's the equation for our capacitor. Laplace transform of C, we can take that out, put it on the side. dv of t dt. Again, this is a derivative. Okay, so we will get I of t is equal to C and then SV of S minus V at 0 minus. Okay. Okay, so actually, we will need to get the value of our I, no? Okay, so the value of our I, we will draw a circuit for this. Okay, so if we have a resistor, this one, okay, and this is our voltage, V of t, right? And this is our current I of t. This is our R. Okay. Now, when we transform it to Laplace, okay, we need to make a new model for that. Okay, again, we will make a new model, no? This will be our V of S. Okay, so we will make a model based on our equation. But our equation is still as simple as Ohm's law, right? So V of S across R with an I of S. This one is I of S. With an I of S na flowing through the R. So meaning I of S flows through the R, we get V of S. So actually, for resistor, nothing actually was changed, no? Nothing was changed except for the V of t becomes V of S and I of t becomes I of S. And the R is basically the same. So that's that. Next, let's go to the inductance. Okay, so previously, this is our inductance. We have the voltage V of t across it. And then we have the inductance right there and the current I of t. So this is the formula, this one. V of t is equal to L, the change in current. Okay. Now, if we transform that one to Laplace, this is now our equation. So, naatay V of S across. But you can see that we already have two terms, no? So, meaning, unsa na to para V of S is composed of two terms, diba? So, meaning, there should be two elements here, which is the, an element here minus an element Li to the 0 minus is equal to V of S. Okay, and we have a current right here, I of S. Okay, so we have two, no? So that means we have SL right here, SL times the current na flowing through it, minus an element here, Li at 0 minus, is equal to V of S. Okay. So we will redraw this. SL is our original inductance na SL. And then, to get the accurate modeling for this one, so since this one looks like a KVL, no? V of S is equal to SLIS minus LI 0 minus. So, let's do this one. LI at 0 minus becomes a voltage source with minus plus na polarity. Okay? Kaya nga naman, because Vs is equal to SLIS, so SL times IS, that's a voltage. Okay, this one is an impedance times a current. Then you get a voltage minus, because we have minus here. So, dapat negative ta diri para minus ta dira. Okay. So, nga na ang iyahang modeling. So, now, ang ato ang basic na ingani previously, now becomes this one. Duha na siya ka element. And this is where they said na using Laplace transform will help you achieve the complete response, no? Because si Laplace transform, makapture niya ang initial condition, which is this one. This is our initial condition. This is actually the initial condition of the current that is flowing in our inductor, diba? Sa atong chapter 8, we were trying to solve the initial current of the inductor and the initial voltage of the capacitor. So, kani siyang LIO is, or I at 0 minus is actually the initial, kani siya, I at 0 minus is our initial current sa atong inductance. Okay? Again, this is the initial current sa atong inductance. This is IL. Okay, next, let's do this one. Okay, ato ni siya i-simplify. Sulod na to si C. So, I of t is equal to S C V of S minus C V at 0 minus. Okay, this one. Now, since we are doing the voltages, let's get the voltage. Okay, so it goes na to SC C V of S is equal to I of t plus CV at 0 minus. Okay. Divide na to SC. So we get V of S is equal to I of, this is I of S. This is I of S there. I of S over SC plus V at 0 minus over S. Okay. So let's try to model that one. So this is V of t, I of t, and this is 1. So ganito. 1 over j omega joule. Na lang. C na lang na. C. Okay. Transform to Laplace. We have here our V of S across. So we can do KVL. So si KVL is composed again. Kung i-KVL natin si V of S, it is equal to 2 terms, meaning 2 elements. So we have 2 elements again right here. Diba? Plus, minus. Okay. So, this one, namatay current rin na moagi, I of S. So, I of S times an impedance is a voltage, which is this one. And our impedance is actually, diba? Saan ganito? I of S times an impedance Z is equal to I of S over SC. Okay. So, meaning Z is equal to 1 over SC. Okay. So, this is 1 over SC. Over SC. Okay, that's our impedance. And then our second element, again, this one is a voltage. No? Para mas, sana, suffice ang atong equation. So, we need to put a voltage here. Wala man na siya current. VO man na siya. So, tuyo ka, negative V of S, or V of S is equal to I of S times 1 over SC plus V of S. So, plus minus ta diri kay plus man siya. So, plus. But this one is V at 0 minus over S. Okay. So, this one is the model of our capacitor. Okay. So, this one you need to remember. You need to remember this kay ato ni siyang i-redraw atong circuit into Laplace transform. Inganin ang ato ang pagka-redraw. Okay? Okay. So, after that class, ato i-redraw balik, no? V of S is equal to R I of S. This is for resistor. Inductor is equal to V of S is equal to SL I of S minus L I at 0 minus, and then capacitor V of S is equal to I of S over SC plus V at 0 minus over S. Okay, so next, atong kuhaon si current. Okay, we will make a new model. Okay, we will make a new model, but in terms of current na. So, I of S, SL, is equal to V of S. Okay, resistor is the same, ha? V of S plus Li at 0 minus divided by 1 over SL. 1 over SL. So, we're left with I of S is equal to V over S over SL plus I at 0 minus over S. So, let's remodel this one. but with current. Okay? So, since current man ni siya, this one looks like a KCL. Okay? So, we have two elements sa KCL nato. And this one is I of S. Okay. So, meaning, I of S is equal to current dera o current dera. And the current here is equivalent to Vs over SL. And we know na current is equal to voltage over impedance, diba? So, meaning, ang impedance nato here is SL. Okay, voltage over impedance man. So, this is inductor. This is again SL. Okay? Take note, class, this is similar sa katong ganihan, no? SL man tong ganihan. This one is also SL ang natong impedance. And then, the current right here is equivalent to I at 0 minus over S. Okay? We have positive kay positive man ta diri. Okay? So, this one is now a current, no? Current na ni siya ganiha kay voltage man to. This one is now current pa na. So, this is the second model. Okay? You can either choose the first one or you choose this one depending on the method that you're going to use. So, kung mag-kuan ka, mag-KVL ka, mas better tong first na model, no? Kung KVL imong gamit, kaya masayon man to. Kung mag-KCL ka, kanipod ang okay. Okay, next, let's go to the capacitor. I of S, actually, kani ang atong unang nag-solve, diba? I of S is equal to SC V of S minus C V O minus. Okay, I think this one is okay. So this one, let's model again. This is again KCL, no? So KCL. So to satisfy the equation, magimutog model na KCL I of S is equal to this one is a current, namely SC Vs. Okay. So, since this one is a current, and kung current, diba, voltage over impedance. So, voltage over impedance is equal to SCV of S. So, pila man itong impedance? C is equal to V of S over SC. V of S cancel out. We're left with 1 over SC. Okay. So, this one is 1 over SC. So, take note, kaning 1 over SC is also the same sa 1 over SC sa first na to na model. Okay? Itong sa KVL, kani KCL man eh. So, sa KVL na to na model, 1 over SC ang iyang impedance. Dili sa KCL na to na model, 1 over SC gihapon ang impedance. Okay, now, let's go to the next term. No? So, this one is a current. This one is also a current, but then naka-minus ta. So, meaning, kung current siya, our current source should look like this. Na, okay, para I of S is equal to kani na current, which is positive, minus kani na current na ni-oppose, and that is equal to CV at 0 minus. Okay, so this is our second model. So let's check, no? This one. So this is the summary for our transformation sa ato ang mga elements, circuit elements. Okay? And everything applies dayon kung ang ato ang V of t is naka-sine, naka-cosine. So katong sa first part sa atong Laplace transform, mo to inyong buhaton. Kung naka-sine, cosine, naka-exponential ang ato ang input na power or power source, which is maybe a voltage or a current. Okay. It is also required to note, no, that the previous models were the previous models has initial conditions, meaning it has initial current for the inductance or initial voltage for the inductance, no? Initial current for the inductance and initial voltage for the capacitance. Okay. So katong mga I at 0 minus and V at 0 minus, they were initial conditions of our either the inductor or the capacitor. Now, what are the models, no, of our elements if there is no initial condition? So basically, this is what our circuit looks like without an initial condition. This is time domain, we have R. And for the Laplace, we still have R. So meaning, kung nakay 10 ohms, initially sa imo ang time domain, pag redraw nimo sa circuit, ana ka, this one is a 10 ohm na resistor. Transform nimo dato, it still give you a 10 ohm. I think retain man ata ang units. Okay, 10 ohm. So, ana lang siya. Now, for the inductance, we have inductance. Ano na to? This one is a 1 Henry. Okay, take note, no initial, 0 ang initial condition. Okay, so, it now looks like S. Okay, ana na lang, kay ang L na to is 1 man. So, S times 1 is S. Now, for capacitance, nato natay 1/4 farad. Okay. Now, 1/4 farad is, di ba 1 over S times 1/4 man ta, 1 over SC. So, meaning 4 over S. Now, this is 4 over S. So, ingana na ang dagway sa ato ang circuit. No?